definitely going to be my first carrier launch here. You know, I won't have a cat shot, but I think we've got enough horsepower to get me off this deck. You know, San Diego's always special for me too. I mean, it's back in, you know, the United States. It makes it easy on me. I love it. I mean, the weather's great. You couldn't ask for any better weather. Beautiful city, nice people, so it's going to be fantastic.
Red Bull 1, Kirby CHAMBLISS, you are cleared into the box. Clear for takeoff on the USS Midway. Smoke on.